Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Robot Kit is probably one of the most engaging and educational ways to dive into the fascinating world of robotics and coding, offering a hands-on experience that blends fun with learning. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or a curious beginner, these kits provide a fantastic opportunity to build, customize, and control your very own robot, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills while demystifying the inner workings of complex machines. Number 5. Makeblock mBot. It's an educational robot toy designed for learning electronics, robotics, and computer programming in a fun way. It's perfect for teaching kids aged 8 to 12 the basics of coding, from scratch to Arduino. With clear instructions, it can be built in just 15 minutes. Kids will learn about electronics and robotics components while having fun building it. It comes with coding cards and lessons to help kids easily use all its functions and create their own projects. 3 free Makeblock apps and mBot software make learning interactive and engaging. Surprise your child with this awesome robotics kit. It's a perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's well packaged and made of durable metal. It's compatible with over 100 electronic modules and 500 plus parts from the Makeblock platform, plus LEGO parts. This open-source system allows for endless creative configurations. What we like. It's super easy to assemble, ready in just 15 minutes. It uses kid-friendly coding software, perfect for beginners. Plus, it's compatible with tons of extra parts, so the fun never ends. If you are looking for a simple, engaging introduction to robotics for younger children, this is the one for you. What people say. It's designed to be tough and has capability that is only limited to the kids' and parents' imagination. It is an absolutely fantastic toy for my 8-year son. He likes it so much. I especially loves that you can program in both Scratch like GUI and actual coding. This is not a toy, but that doesn't mean it's not fun. It's a very sturdy machine with legit parts for a robot. The projects are fun, but we went through them quickly, so I've had to make up more challenges to keep the interest going. Number 4. ELEGOO R3 Robot Car. Get ready to explore the exciting world of robotics. This kit has everything you need to build your own smart car. It's packed with 24 different modules, including obstacle avoidance, line tracing, and even infrared remote control. You can even control it with your phone or tablet. Building it is a breeze. The improved design makes connecting all the parts simple and error-free. High-definition instructions guide you through every step of the process. All the necessary programs and codes are included too. Once assembled, you'll be able to program it to move, avoid obstacles, and follow lines. It's a fantastic learning experience. It's the ideal gift for young minds interested in science, technology, engineering, and math. It's fun, educational, and a great way to learn valuable skills. What we like. This kit has everything you need to get started. The parts are designed for easy assembly, minimizing errors. It also comes with clear, high-definition instructions. If you want a comprehensive and user-friendly learning experience, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It's a great value, and it's also a perfect gift for kids who like to understand how things work. Our grandson especially gets a kick out of being able to see what the robot car sees with its camera as he's maneuvering it around the house. The smart car has features like ultrasonic rangefinder for collision avoidance and semi-autonomous navigation, optical sensors for line-following navigation, Bluetooth connection for remote control operation, and an infrared remote control. All these modes of operations work flawlessly except the IR sensor. You can also create your own DIY control remote app, which I like it so much that you have the freedom to program the remote control that suits your need. The base top plates are sturdy, even though they are plastic. Instructions are clear enough to understand and assemble. The Uno comes pre-programmed. So once you assemble it, you can start using it like a toy. App control is seamless. All default functions work well. Number 3. FREENOVE Hexapod Robot. Get ready to build your own amazing Hexapod robot. It's a fun and educational STEM project for all ages. Watch it move. This incredible robot can crawl and twist just like a real insect. Prepare to be amazed by its lifelike movements. Building it is a breeze. A detailed assembly tutorial and complete code are available for download. No paper manual needed. Control it your way. You can command it wirelessly using the included remote, your smartphone, tablet, or even your computer. We've got your back. Our expert support team is always here to help if you have any questions during assembly or operation. Don't forget the batteries. Find the specifications and recommendations in the included digital guide. What we like. This robot moves in amazing ways. You can control it with a remote, phone, tablet, or even a computer. And if you get stuck, there's a helpful support team ready to assist. If you like a challenge and want a versatile control experience, this is perfect for you. What people say. The kit looks impressive assembled, and the motion of the legs, the way it walks, shifts and dances. The kit went together with no hitches, and I had no trouble installing the required software. The kit was very well packed, and I had the impression FREENOVE put a great effort in shipping this kit the way they did, making sure nothing was damaged from shipping. The parts for the included remote control were separate from the parts for the Hexapod, in separate boxes. This assures no parts gets misplaced. Number 2. KEYESTUDIO Mini Tank. It's a fantastic kit for both robotics and electronics learning. It's perfect for beginners and experts alike, offering a fun and engaging way to learn. This smart car boasts obstacle detection and avoidance, light following, and an 8x16 LED display for dynamic feedback. Control it with an app or infrared remote. It's designed for simple assembly with a detailed tutorial and clearly labeled parts. Even add some fun with the included animal heads. Learn coding, robotics, and electronics through 15 engaging projects, ranging from simple to complex. It's a great way to boost your creativity. It's fully compatible with the Arduino IDE, making it easy to program and customize. The online tutorials will guide you through every step. This kit doesn't come pre-assembled or pre-programmed, allowing you to learn by doing. You'll need to provide your own batteries. What we like. It's both a robot and an electronics kit. It has many functions, from obstacle avoidance to LED displays. Plus, there are 15 detailed online projects to guide your learning. If you want a versatile kit with lots of learning opportunities, this is a great option. What people say. The first thing I look for in a learning kit is the quality of the kit. Not only do you get very good material with this project, but you also get a good amount of learning tools in programming that you have at your command. Assembly of this kit is done in a way that you will learn a lot about the Arduino programming language. Assembly was not only fun, but when completed I had learned a lot about the Arduino programming. It is a really fun vehicle to drive around and to build. It has more features available than all the other kits. LED program, light following, IR remote control, Bluetooth app, obstacle avoiding, ultrasonic following. It comes with everything you need to assemble, code, and drive all by IR remote control. The components are laid out in a manner so that you can understand how each circuit board and sensor assembly is wired together to become one unit. The individual boards are well labeled and made durable. The diagrams and pictures used in the assembly instructions online are clear and illustrated well. Number 1. Makeblock mBot Ultimate. It's more than just a robot, it's a 10-in-1 building kit. With over 160 parts, you can create 10 different robot models, from a robot arm to an RC tank. Let your imagination run wild. Whether you're a coding newbie or a pro, it's got you covered. Use the simple drag-and-drop interface or dive into Arduino IDE and Python. It's all about having fun and learning. It's compatible with both Arduino and Raspberry Pi. This opens up a world of possibilities. You can control multiple motors, read sensors, and even create complex robotics projects. It's built to last. Most parts are made from high-strength aluminum alloy, making it safe, lightweight, and incredibly durable. It's designed for both hobbyists and professionals. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's perfect for kids, teens, and adults who love robotics and STEM learning. Get ready for hours of fun and exploration. What we like. This kit lets you build 10 different robots. It supports various coding languages, from beginner to advanced levels. And it's made with durable, high-quality materials. If you are looking for a challenging, rewarding project with lots of variety, this is the one for you. What people say. Sturdy build quality is excellent. Very high quality from components to instructions. This kit is one quality kit. Never seen anything as good. Our 12-year-old grandson has built 2 of the devices with a bit of guidance. Following the steps directions. Both worked flawlessly. There was no missing anything in the kit. Parts were packaged in an above quality care. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.